Welcome back, everyone. Today's video will take you on an exciting deep dive into the making of Sosuke's Pop Pop Boat paper model from Ponyo, starting from the original 3D design. Join me to see the journey of transforming digital files into a physical model.
And here is our starting point. This is the original 3D model of Sosuke's Pop Pop Boat. It serves as the foundation for designing and creating all the printable and cuttable paper parts.
Next, we'll import the model into Papercraft Designer and set the appropriate size.
Now let's unfold and arrange the prints.
So let's just quickly review how these pieces fit together before we jump into the next part.
Now, let's move on to the paper model section. We'll start by printing the template. Make sure to use A4 size paper with a weight of 180 to 250 grams per square meter.
Next, cut out each piece, then arrange and clearly categorize them.
This will make it easier to attach the pieces together.
We'll fast forward through the cutting process.
Next, we'll assemble the pieces to create the complete model. For this demonstration, I'll only illustrate the main sections, as there are quite a lot of parts. Finally, you can paint over the model to make the color more durable. I typically use ATM A10 paint.
Bye-bye. See you in the next video. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel.